Welcome to the University for Humanity and welcome to Bicol University.
Bicol University was founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage RA 5521, but was formalized on September 21, 1970 by virtue of Resolution No. 1 in its Board of Regents, wherein Attorney Ricardo A. Arcilla was appointed as the university's founding president. Bicol University offers professional and technical training and advanced education in literature, philosophy, sciences and arts, and promotes scientific and technological research. Its students must embody the core values, which are scholarship, leadership, service, and most importantly, character.
The Bicol University is known for having its yearly BU Hataw here in the Bicol University Sports Complex, where every Patgit student gathered to dance as an opening event for the BU Olympics.
The university also has 7 campuses across the region that offer different courses in various fields. But let's focus on our college. On September 10, 2004, the reconstruction of BU's academic courses paved the way for the birth of 4 new colleges: the College of Arts and Letters, College of Science, College of Social Science and Philosophy, and the College of Business Economics and Management, for short, BSBA. BSBA provides positive surroundings and relevant practical knowledge through its activities related to classroom instruction and outside the regular curriculum for students pursuing future careers in business administration, accountancy, and economics. Many of its alumni have become successful professionals because of its programs that address issues on sustainable livelihood and community development. The BSBA offers courses such as accountancy, economics, management, and business administration. Under the business administration, we find the microfinance program. Business administration major in microfinance focuses on providing small-scale financial services to underserved communities. It combines core business concepts like accounting, management, and finance, with microfinance principles such as lending, savings, and financial literacy. The program prepares students for careers in microfinance institutions, cooperatives, and community development programs. Its goal is to promote financial inclusion and empower low-income groups.
Why did I choose microfinance? So here's the story.
When I was in high school, our family business experienced a near bankruptcy. Someone introduced us to a microfinance bank where we received benefits and helped us improve our living standards. I'm so amazed on how it lends a hand to the poor. It inspires me to be one of them and I want to be part of them.
Being a microfinance student is like a roller coaster ride. It's a mixed feeling of excitement and fear. The excitement of knowing that I am going to pursue one of my dream courses and the fear of meeting new people. Public speaking is challenging for me, driven by the idea of judgment. However, recognizing its importance in this field, I've been gradually working to overcome it. I experienced hardship and comfort at the same time, but in the long run, I learned many things and created new experiences. As a microfinance student at Bicol University, my goal is to learn more about helping people through their financial inclusion and supporting small businesses. I want to build my skills through my classes and hands-on experiences. With hard work and dedication, I hope to become a skilled microfinance consultant or something related to bank who can make a positive difference in my community.